In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Magento 2 on your local computer using XAMPP, whether you're a developer wanting to test out some new features or a beginner looking to deepen your understanding of Magento's inner workings. This tutorial is for you. So, let's dive in and get Magento 2 up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to download the Magento 2 zip file. Head over to the Magento 2 GitHub releases page and find the version you're interested in, such as 2.4.5. Once you're there, click on Assets, and then Source Code, zip, to commence the download. If you're aiming for a lighter version tailored for local use, MageFan offers a ready-to-use package. Just visit their website and download the zip file they provide. Once you've got your Magento 2 zip file, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get those files extracted into your XAMPP folder. Navigate to your XAMPP installation directory, which is typically located at C plus XAMPP plus htdocs. Create a new folder within htdocs and name it something simple like Magento 2. To extract, simply drag and drop all the files from the Magento 2 zip into your newly created Magento 2 folder. You should see folders such as app, bin, pub, and vendor, among others, once the extraction is complete. With your files in the right place, the next step is to set up a database for Magento to use. Fire up your browser and go to http localhost phpMyAdmin. Once there, you'll see an option to create a new database. Just click on New and type Magento 2 as the database name, then hit Create. And just like that, your database is ready and waiting for Magento to do its thing. Now it's time to switch back to your web browser and initiate the Magento setup wizard. Enter http localhost Magento 2 setup into the address bar. This will usher you into the Magento setup wizard environment. Here, start off by running the readiness check and clicking Next. This ensures everything is in place for a smooth setup. When prompted to add a database, enter the details you just set up. The database name will be Magento 2 and use root for the username. There's no need for a password, so go ahead and leave that blank. Let's move on to web configuration, where you can leave the default URL as is. There's no need to change http:/localhost Magento 2. As you advance to setting up the admin account, create your own credentials. Specify an email, a secure username, and a password you'll remember. Finally, click Install. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and watch everything come together. The installation process might take a while depending on your computer's performance, so patience is key here. And there you have it, a fully functional Magento 2 installed on your local machine, primed and ready for whatever you want to explore next.